3 years ago, we took on a feat to impact the world around us. We set out to consciously create timeless pieces with a modern silhouette. Seeking old-world craftsmanship for new-world needs, we found centuries-old craft and new-age spaces making magnificent objects in India. In this country of sublime talent, we found amazing partners, garment workers, artisans, and factories to collaborate with. We wanted to create the world's finest, ethically made handbag.